Well, hello everyone. I think we've all had these moments in our life and we have ups and downs. We're all pretty much wired the same way. And sometimes it's how you get out of these downs so that you feel better. And what I discover every single time is that this tiny little cheap book that I purchased has some things that you need to do when you're feeling a bit down. And although the book is called The Abundance Book, when they talk about abundance, my feeling is that abundance is really about everything in life, not about wealth, but everything that you want it to be. And so when I don't feel myself, I actually go through the steps in this book. I will meditate for 20-25 minutes. And after I'm done, I feel absolutely fantastic. The link for this book is in my description if you don't know where to get it, but I really recommend it for everyone.